Hi there, welcome to Jeff's World English. Today I wanted to talk about words in English phrases with the word turn. Okay, now turn is used in many English phrases for all kinds of communication. First of all, we've got turn in. Okay, the verb turn in means to submit something. For example, homework to your teacher, right? Or turn in a very important document. There's turn over, which means to take something from one side and flip it over to the other side. There's turn over. There's turn the page, of course, which means to go from one page to the next page. Okay. There's also turn the corner, which means to go straight and turn right or turn left at the upcoming corner. There's also turn around, which means to face the opposite direction from where you're facing now. So that's turn around. And there's also turn down, which is to refuse something, okay, that someone offers you. To turn down is to refuse that thing. There's also two of the most important phrases, phrasal verbs, I should say, with the word turn is turn on and turn off. Turn on is to make something operational. Turn on the lights, turn on the fan, turn on the air conditioner. And of course, turn off is to make it disoperational. So to make it stop working, in other words. So turn off the lights, turn off the fan, turn off the air conditioner. Okay? These are some verb usages with the word turn. Okay, don't forget those because they're very useful in English. We'll be back next time with some other 1 minute English, 1 point English with Jeff's World English. Thanks for watching and see you next time.